Are you unable to turn off Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone after the iOS 17 update? Don't worry. Follow this easy and advanced troubleshooting process to fix can't turn off Do Not Disturb mode after the recent update. So, let's begin. Before you do anything, try to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode from your control center. If it doesn't work, then Method 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Swipe down from the top, enable airplane mode, wait 10 to 20 seconds, then turn it back off, then check your issue. Method 2. Do Not Disturb settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Focus. Now delete all this focus from here. Method 3. Restart your iPhone. Give a simple restart on your iPhone. Often only giving a simple restart on iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After that, check your issue. Method 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and will back to default values. Tap Reset all settings again. After doing this process, hope you're unable to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode problem will be solved. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.